Everybody, it's Mr. Kerbal. It is 2021, and this is the Grange Head Teacher CC CU Assembly, because we know that your character is your strength. And if you're in this video, it means we see you, we see how hard you're working, we see how hard you're trying, and you can be proud of yourself. You know who I am. You know what we're aiming for, a great caring attitude, really trying our best, always learning, especially from our mistakes, going for improvement and progress in education, using it to help you to learn to make great choices and never giving up. That's what a CC learner is all about. We know what true strength is. We know what physical strength is. It can help us to overcome physical challenges, and that's great to be healthy and to build up your physical strength. But the real strength is your character strength, because that's who you are, and that is what can help you to overcome any challenge and help you solve any problem that you face. So that's why at Grange, we always speak about character strength. We speak about solving our problems through the power of character strength. And you just need to ask yourself a question each time you're faced with a problem in life is, which character strength am I going to use? That's our Grange CC way. Confidence and consideration, the confidence to know I can get through anything. I deserve to be here. I am who I am, and I stand up for myself and consider it. I care about the world. I care about others. I understand that kindness is strength, and I work that way. It's a philosophy for life. Now, stars of the week this week, well, golds, and I haven't had any golds awarded for this week. So come on, everybody, step it up, and teachers, educators, award some golds, please. But in the Grange House of Water, I'll tell you who I could see really working well. It was 1,244 points from the Grange House of Water pupil champions. Parisa, Zara, Mariama, Bavita, Devesh, Anna, Blinart, Mahdi, Parahatis, and Kavish. Such a brilliant start to your online learning. Now, the point is, if you've done really well, and I really see you, you get to fly in. Wissam with 40, Grace with 42. Brilliant. Now, flying in is brilliant, but only one person a week in each house is going to get the swivel. Arian, 45 points, but who gets the swivel? It is Stacy with 72 points. Well done, Stacy. Grange House of Fire, 960 points. Hewad, Elias, Simon, Rochelle, Murthiga, proud of all of you. Hader flying in, Vinaya flying in, Patrick flying in, but the swivel goes to Alfie with 46 points. Brilliant work. Grange House of Air, total of 910 points this week. Brilliant. Bashir, Nur, Sabrine, Sana, Mora, and flying in Amrit, Bianca, Dara, and the swivel goes to Dua with 37 points. Brilliant work. Grange House of Earth, 1,203 points. Michelle, Ayub, Adam, Jamal, Alicia, Ali R, Lena, Anastasia, Jody, flying in is Anushanth with 36, Habiz with 43, Evelina with 45, but the swivel goes to Race with 68. So whole Grange community this week, and this is our first week of remote online learning, so 4,317 points, which is brilliant. Who are my classy classes? Well, Mandela class, you managed 180. This isn't easy with online learning. It's new. Churchill class, 348. Gandhi class, 520. But the swivel goes to Luther King class with 552 points. Now, autumn, the whole term, we managed 120,000 points. I'm not sure if we can get there with remote learning. Let's set ourselves a target of 50,000 for this half term, and then every week I'll put the running total over here. We're going to make it, because life is what you make it. So if you set out to make it, you make it. That's character strength. So last term, first we got the visit from Freddie as a reward for all the CC great learning and points, and then we got the reindeers at the end. Now, I read an amazing article which said that putting plants in classroom really helps pupils to even do better with their results. And in the survey, they said that the bigger the plant, the more positive the impact on learning. So I'm committed. I'll look at the end of the spring one half term and look and see who was the classy class of the whole first half term, and we'll buy a big jungle-style pot plant for the classroom and see if that helps you to all do better, and hopefully it will raise your progresses levels even further. So be great, be Grange. Enjoy the week ahead. Be safe and happy. Live your life with confidence and consideration. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.